Sleep is a fundamental aspect of our daily lives, yet many of us struggle to achieve the quality, rest our bodies and minds genuinely need. In today's fast-paced world, where stress and distractions are abundant, prioritizing sleep often takes a back seat. However, the impact of poor sleep on our overall health and well-being cannot be overstated. This video will explore the transformative power of quality sleep and share proven tips and hygiene techniques to help you achieve a restful night's sleep. Importance of quality sleep. Quality sleep is essential for physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It is crucial in supporting our immune system, cognitive function, mood regulation, and overall productivity. When we consistently fail to get adequate rest, our bodies cannot repair and rejuvenate, leading to health issues such as weakened immunity, increased stress levels, and impaired decision-making abilities. By prioritizing quality sleep, we can enhance our overall quality of life and better cope with the demands of daily life. Benefits of sleep hygiene techniques. Following sleep hygiene techniques can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. These techniques involve creating a conducive sleep environment, establishing a consistent bedtime routine, and adopting healthy habits that promote relaxation and restfulness. Incorporating these practices into your daily life allows you to experience more profound restorative sleep, wake up refreshed and energized, and maintain optimal cognitive function throughout the day. Practical tips for enhancing your sleep routine. This video will share valuable and proven tips to help you enhance your sleep routine and overcome common sleep disturbances. From setting a regular sleep schedule to creating a calming bedtime routine, we will provide actionable advice you can quickly implement daily. By incorporating these tips into your sleep routine, you can transform your sleep quality and experience the numerous benefits of restful and rejuvenating rest. Stay tuned to discover how you can unlock the power of quality sleep for a healthier and happier life. Setting the sleep environment. Creating the perfect sleep environment is essential for optimizing your sleep quality and ensuring a restful night's rest. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary of tranquility and comfort, free from distractions and conducive to relaxation. This section will explore critical factors that can help you optimize your bedroom environment for better sleep quality. Ideal room temperature and lighting conditions. The perfect room temperature for promoting sleep is typically between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15.6 to 19.4 degrees Celsius. Keeping your bedroom calm can signal to your body that it's time to rest and facilitate the natural drop in core body temperature during sleep. Additionally, creating a dark and quiet environment is essential to promote melatonin production, the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out unwanted light sources that may disrupt your sleep. Comfortable bedding and pillows. Comfortable bedding can significantly improve sleep quality. Choose bedding made from breathable materials such as cotton or linen to help regulate your body temperature and prevent overheating at night. Opt for pillows that provide adequate support for your head and neck to maintain proper spinal alignment and reduce the risk of discomfort or pain. Creating a cozy and inviting sleep environment can enhance your comfort and overall sleep experience. Minimizing noise and distractions. To create a peaceful sleep environment, minimizing noise and distractions that can disrupt your rest is essential. Consider using earplugs or a white noise machine to block out external sounds that may disturb your sleep. Keep electronic devices such as smartphones and tablets out of the bedroom to reduce screen time exposure and promote relaxation. You can create a tranquil space that encourages deep and restorative sleep by eliminating potential disruptions in your sleep environment. Establishing a bedtime routine. Creating a consistent bedtime routine is critical to signaling your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Establishing calming and relaxing activities before bed can help regulate your body's internal clock and promote a smooth transition into sleep. This section will explore the importance of a bedtime routine and provide guidelines for creating a sleep-enhancing evening ritual. Regular sleep schedule. A regular sleep schedule regulates your body's internal clock, the circadian rhythm. Aim to go to bed and wake up simultaneously each day, even on weekends, to establish a consistent sleep-wake cycle. By aligning your bedtime with your body's natural sleep patterns, you can improve the quality of your sleep and enhance your overall well-being. Consistency is critical to maintaining a healthy sleep routine. Relaxing activities before bed. Incorporating relaxing activities into your bedtime routine can help you unwind and de-stress, preparing your mind and body for sleep. Consider engaging in calming activities such as reading a book, practicing meditation or deep breathing exercises, or taking a warm bath before bed. These soothing rituals can help quiet your mind, reduce anxiety, and promote relaxation conducive to falling asleep quickly. Avoid screens and stimulating activities. Avoiding screens and stimulating activities close to bedtime is essential to promote natural sleep onset. The blue light emitted by electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers can interfere with melatonin production and disrupt your sleep-wake cycle. Instead, opt for screen-free activities like calming music, practicing gentle yoga stretches, or writing in a gratitude journal to unwind before bed. Minimizing exposure to stimulating stimuli can create a peaceful bedtime environment that supports a smooth transition into restful sleep. Healthy sleep habits. Developing healthy habits that support quality sleep is essential for optimizing your overall well-being and enhancing the restorative power of rest. By incorporating lifestyle practices that prioritize sleep hygiene and promote relaxation, you can improve your sleep quality and wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. This section will explore essential healthy sleep habits and provide guidelines for cultivating a bedtime routine that fosters restful sleep. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity benefits overall health and plays a crucial role in improving sleep quality. Engaging in moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or yoga, can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle and promote more profound restorative sleep. Aim to incorporate at least 30 minutes of exercise into your daily routine, preferably earlier in the day, to reap the sleep-enhancing benefits of physical activity. Balanced diet and meal timing. Maintaining a balanced diet and avoiding heavy meals close to bedtime can positively impact your sleep quality. A nutritious diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide essential nutrients that support optimal sleep patterns. Avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and large meals before bedtime can help prevent digestive discomfort and promote a more restful night's sleep. Be mindful of your eating habits and aim to establish a consistent meal schedule that aligns with your body's natural rhythms. Mindfulness practices. Incorporating mindfulness into your bedtime routine can help reduce stress, calm the mind, and promote relaxation, all essential for achieving quality sleep. Consider incorporating deep breathing exercises, meditation, or gentle yoga stretches into your evening ritual to unwind and prepare your body for rest. These mindfulness practices can help quiet racing thoughts, alleviate tension, and create a sense of peace that sets the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. By prioritizing mindfulness and relaxation techniques, you can cultivate a bedtime routine that supports your sleep health and overall well-being. Managing stress and anxiety. Addressing stress and anxiety is crucial for preventing sleep disturbances and promoting a restful night's sleep. Chronic stress and anxiety can disrupt sleep patterns, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep throughout the night. You can create a peaceful mindset that supports quality sleep by implementing effective stress management techniques and incorporating relaxation practices into your daily routine. This section will explore strategies for managing stress and anxiety to improve your sleep health. Stress management techniques. Effectively managing stress is essential for maintaining a healthy sleep routine. Consider incorporating stress management techniques such as journaling, talking to a therapist, or practicing mindfulness meditation to address underlying sources of stress and anxiety. Journaling can help you process your thoughts and emotions, while therapy provides a safe space to explore and work through stressors. By actively addressing stress through these techniques, you can reduce its impact on your sleep quality and overall well-being. Establishing worry time. Establishing a designated worry time during the day can help prevent intrusive thoughts from disrupting your sleep at night. Set aside a specific time each day to acknowledge and address your worries, allowing yourself to focus on problem solving and finding solutions. By containing your concerns for a designated period, you can create mental space and reduce the likelihood of racing thoughts, keeping you awake at night. This practice can help you feel more in control of your thoughts and emotions, promoting a sense of calm before bedtime. Mindfulness and relaxation exercises. Incorporating mindfulness and relaxation exercises into your evening routine can help calm the mind and prepare your body for sleep. Consider practicing deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided meditation before bedtime to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. These techniques can help quiet racing thoughts, release tension in the body, and create a sense of peace that facilitates a smooth transition into restful sleep. By prioritizing mindfulness and relaxation, you can cultivate a bedtime routine that supports your mental well-being and enhances your sleep quality. It's essential to reflect on the key points discussed and consider how you can take action to enhance your sleep quality. Take action for better sleep. Now is the time to put these insights into practice and prioritize your sleep health. Subscribe and share. If you found this video helpful and informative, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more sleep-related content and tips on improving your sleep quality. You can access valuable insights and resources to support your journey towards better sleep by staying connected. Additionally, we encourage you to share this video with others who may benefit from learning about sleep hygiene and proven techniques for transforming their sleep. Thank you for watching.